Give your vehicle the ultimate mounting and protection with Putco's backseat Molle panels. These are going to be a universal product, compatible with any back seat, and it's going to be a really nice mount. It'll strap into the headrest with two straps on top, and then it'll clip in underneath the seat with our really nice straps here. They actually have some elastic on them too, so if you're going to be moving your seat backwards and forwards or leaning it forward and back, it'll keep the panel tight against that back seat. It's going to give you a lot of mounting opportunity as well. It's going to be laser cut from 10th inch aluminum. So it's going to be a really nice, lightweight, durable product, not like the rubber ones or the steel ones that you see other manufacturers make. Going to be fully compatible with our Molle mount system. So you see here our Molle mounts. It's going to be our little gaskets here that go in perfectly to each square in the Molle panel. With that, we also sell our Molle grips. These will thread right into the Molle mount, so you have a nice rubber kind of clamp mounting mechanism here, so you can mount your gear to the back seat of the vehicle. We have three sizes here: our small, our medium, and our large. Are all nice rubber material, so you get a lot of flexibility in mounting. It's going to be a really nice upgrade for your truck interior. This has been Paul with Putco. Check us out: Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and www.putco.com. See you next time.